somebody, if they're right in front of you and they don't address you directly, they go, can you tell him not to do that? So that's a kind of a derogatory thing. That's an insult, okay? That's an expression of hate that you would have for someone doing that. So that exact method has been used by the admin of that dog park. She's had that attitude towards me from the very beginning. She scolded me first time we talked. And then so she posts that flyer that I've stuck on the benches there at the dog park. And she says, can somebody tell this guy not to do this? I contact her privately and she says, I will report you to the police if you talk to me again. I want nothing to say to you. And she blocked me from the Facebook page of that dog park because I posted that concern on Yelp. And you go to Yelp, you'll see my review and the explanation. And I keep explaining that this is something concerns every American, every individual. And her limiting that what's allowed in that dog park to exclude me is unfair and unjust. She obviously has personal bias against me, and she's using her authority to express that, as the police were, and she sets the tone in that park for others who are that way, and then that's why this sort of stuff happens. That's what it's expressing. It's expressing, we don't want you here. We don't want your kind here. We don't want your message. We don't want what you represent. That's what it is. You look at what it is. That's what it is. And I don't condemn it. I want it to be looked at. This is what I do. I think people, you set time aside, which is what I'm doing now, every day to look at what it is inside of you, what it is in your life. And just for now, just for this brief moment, every day, be okay with it the way it is. Just see it for what it is. Because if you're attempting to change it and do something about it, that makes you not see it as what it is. So seeing it as what it is, I think, helps tremendously. And then being okay with it just for now. Breathing in and breathing out slowly and deeply. Having this time, being okay with emotions that I'm feeling and the situation in my life, everything. I'm okay for now with what I'm feeling, what I'm perceiving, what I'm being, what's going on in my life. And then making that a practice.